Hello, our friends. Welcome to our channel and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Today, we will do a video for explain to get the printhead replace solution for the sublimation or DTF for the ET8550 models. Okay, so on the disk, we should be ready some special parts like the syringe with soft tube and also syringe. And okay, this black part that we get inside from the printer. Later we will show the detail what we do with these parts. Okay, and here let's get ready one piece of the printhead cover with a special loader that we can easy to install the ink damper. That one. So that's in this bag, we take one piece of the dampers. Just get one-way ink flow inside, so that the ink only can be get in and then no return from this one. So this one is special and helpful. Okay, after we connect to the ink tube, that we can easily to be suck the ink out from the dampers. That's very helpful and useful for the printer get maintenance. Okay, that's one. Let's get original the epson original the dampers. So it gets so hard. Even you get the problem, get the ink leaking, or you want to change ink, and something that else that's very hard that we get something changed. So this one's the original one. Okay. And here we get a 3D print, get a smaller parts. Later will help to lock in the ink tube inside the printer. Later will show inside the printer what we do. Okay. The last thing here in the black plastic books, we have the original, the printhead. This one already gets the waterproof and the loader already changed. Okay, so this all difference. That one only the cover for the printhead, and this one already the fully printhead. We just do the replacements. Okay. Okay, let's reset all the parts. Following the video to see what we changed as our printers. Okay, open the cover that we can see. Okay, here have two of screw. We can remove the screw. Then we can open this cover. So that we see the ink carriage we already changed. So we change the damper and connect with the ink tube. And here, this place will lock by the plastic with the original two piece of the screw. And even we fill the ink for the tank, that we only need to move out that ink damper, so we can easily to suck the ink out. Or even we do the cleaning, head cleaning, we very easily to do that. The loader with a soft ink tube. Sometimes we get the cleaning that should be very easily to change and remove the cleaning liquid or any cleaning solution with the syringes and the connection the loads each one by one. That's very helpful to do something to do clean out the head and change the ink something with the maintenance. Okay, So not just for demo to show. And let's explain what's the difference. Okay, here we have do a cut along this line and then move the top cover. So just only keep this part and install back the cartridge place. So we can set the ink back in each channel of colors after we recover this piece. So we will see even each damper connect and install for each of colors. We're just doing 1 or 2 times head cleaning. That ink should be cleaned out. Okay. So helpful, this video will help you for you do some maintenance, or you want to do some DTF or sublimation or the pigment printing with your printers. Okay. And during this printer, we will have some more video to show what we do for the photo, the sublimation, and the DTF, and so on. Welcome to follow our channel. We will show you the next video. See you. Bye-bye.